Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Scott Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is the look that we are going to create. I actually didn't realize until the end of filming this that it was pretty much all Juvia's place. Yeah, pretty freaking much. I got a couple new things in the mail that I tried out, a couple new palettes. Well, it was only one used in this tutorial, and some new lipsticks and lip liner and a few things that I already had. So if you are interested in the details to this look, please definitely stay tuned. Today we are going to play in makeup like we do every other tutorial. I got a few little goodies in the mail. Juvia's Place. Love me Juvia's Place. The Berries by Juvia's. They had a sale. I think this palette was like $7 at the time. And then I got their little lippies. I don't know how much they were. I'll post it down below. But they were on sale too. You know, my favorites are nudes and stuff like that. So I like the peach nudes. I like the mauve nudes. I like the taupe nudes. So yeah, I got one from each of the collections. So we are going to go ahead and jump in, and you can tell by the color palette that it will be a purple look. So I have moisturized my face, and we are going to go in with the brows today. I'll be using my NYX Brow Gel. Before I go in with the brow gel, I do want to add concealer first. And we'll be going in with the Juvia's Place concealer. And as you can tell, I use most of the product at the tail of my eye because that's where it's mostly sparse, and I just go through the front with what's left before adding any more product. And this is my problem child brow. Does anybody else have a problem child brow? I don't know if it wants to be too thin some days. Some days it tells me it wants to be a little thicker. We just go with the flow depending on how she want to look. And I'll base the other brow off of this one, even though I did the other one first. They kind of look even, I guess, today. I'm gonna go with that. Here I am just going in with a little bit of eyelid primer. And with that, you want to make sure that you definitely take your time and disperse it evenly so that your eyeshadow is not patchy. So we're going to go in with this pink color right there in the middle. Y'all know my philosophy. If you stamp it in first, you get the maximum payoff. So definitely take your time. Don't go higher than what you need to, but stamp it in. If you have a smaller eye space, then you can go in with a smaller blending brush and blend out the edges for sure. I'm going to go in with a tighter brush and go in with this color right here. I'm going to concentrate that on the outer portion. And kind of drag it out a little bit. Back in with the blending brush. Nothing's on the brush, and blend it out so that it doesn't look patchy. I'm gonna go in with a flat lid brush, and I'm going to pop into this color right here with the foil color. I like to spray the brush so that that pigment really stands out. Pretty. I'm going back in with that tight brush. Just going over it to blend the two colors together. And I feel like I want to add a little pop right there. I'm going to go in with my Artist Couture Illuminati Diamond Glow Powder and a small brush right there in the inner corner. All right, and give me a second. Come back with the other eye done in just a moment. All right, guys, so I am back. This is pretty much the finished look for the eye. So now we're gonna go in, we're gonna clean up under the eye, and we're gonna also lay down some eyeliner, of course. Going in with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Okay guys, so now we're gonna clean up under the eye with a makeup wipe. Gonna go in with my Milani Face Primer. I am gonna sit down a little bit of translucent powder to help combat the oil. Yes, she does look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, but it's okay. We're gonna bring it back to life. Oh, she looked dead. All right, so under the eye, we're gonna go in with my Morphe 5.25 concealer. And then we're gonna go on top of it with my NARS concealer in the color Walnut. Really work well as a highlight color for me. And not being too bright or too yellow. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my number 7, Juvia's Place. And lay that down. Very well. And I'm gonna take my concealer brush and begin to blend out the concealer under the eye. Whatever's left on the brush to dab it into my chin area and down the bridge of the nose. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo Sponge and blend the rest of she out. Gonna go in with a little bit of the concealer number 2, just to add a little contour. If you don't want to contour, you can bronze. I'm gonna do both. So now that we have made sure that there are no creases under the eye, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Matte set. It didn't come like this. I just chose the 2 colors. And start setting up under the eye. Now I will go in and lay down a thin layer of translucent powder using my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Medium Deep. And so that nose contour is not messed up, you know, just go ahead and swipe that away. We don't want to be baking all over the place. All right, so while that sits for just a second, we're gonna go in with my Glamabronze bronzer in the color Supreme. I'm using the same brush I used to contour. and just warming the face up. This has got to be my favorite part of the process because I absolutely love this product. Going back in with that little angled brush, and I'm gonna go down the sides of my nose. Again, a step that is not anything, none of this is anything that you have to do. This is just what I'm doing. All right, so I think that powder has set quite a bit enough. Brush that off. Let's go under the eye with this color right here that we used up top and smoke out the bottom. And just to be honest, we probably should have done this before we brushed off the bake to avoid any fallout seeping into this laid foundation. Child, she has on no lashes. Where's she going? She cute, but she ain't got on no lashes. I'm sitting here thinking I'm about to be over. I'm about to pop a blush on and my lipstick. Sis. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the lashes. I am using the Miss 3D Volume Lash 371 style. Flares out at the end, further accentuates that little cat eye we got going on. I love these lashes. I really, really do. Let's go in with some mascara on the bottom. Be careful. Ooh, child, when that contact gets to drying out. I'm doing all of this for an eye appointment. Yep, going to get fitted for some glasses. I mean, at least I'll know if I could wear lashes or not with these glasses. What am I going to do for blush? Anybody know? Anybody care? Not really. We're going to go in with Juvia's Place. That bright pop of pink. Now be careful. Okay. Yeah. See, Juvia, she is not coming here to play with nobody. Light, dark. None of that. And if blush is your thing, then baby girl, go ham. If it's not, you know, you can always tone it down with a little face brush. Yeah, just like that. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with one of these colors on the lip. The Luxe liner in the color Scorpio. You see that? Don't do that. The liner is definitely creamy. It reminds me a lot of Current by MAC. The color that we are going to go in with is Kebi from the Morphe collection. I'm sure you all have seen this beautiful collection. I love the packaging. Love it, love it, love it. It's really, really creamy. Ooh, really creamy. Pretty color. Ooh. Ooh, I like it a lot. What you guys think? This is the finished look. Definitely go in and set your face. Maybe I should do that since I am actually leaving the house. You know, that helps to alleviate any of that little powdery stuff that you had hanging on for dear life. Anyway, I enjoy how the look came out. Juvia's Place, if you know, you know. It's nothing bad that I can say about it at all. Price point popping. The shadow pack was on sale for what, $7? Lips popping. Blush palette, use that, popping. We're gonna call this all Juvia's Place makeup face. Okay, so this is it. Let me know down in the description box below if you enjoyed it. If you would try this look, why not? I mean, you can try the whole face for less than $50, probably not, but probably. I don't know if you got your exact matches and what you needed, probably. Yeah. I just want to hit you guys from the angles of all. The angles of all. So you can give me your true depiction of the outcome. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave your comments below. And again, thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.